it's coming in. Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, raising several questions about BJP's actions. Kejriwal has asked Bhagwat whether the RSS supports the wrongdoings of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Very interesting development taking place. Tetri. Now, Arvind Kejriwal wants the RSS to respond. He's written a letter to Mohan Bhagwat and asked whether Mr. Bhagwat supports the wrongdoings of the BJP.
Well, you see, yes, as we are, inching closer towards the election, the fight in the national capital is becoming more and more interesting. And today we saw on the first day of the new year, Arvind Kejriwal wrote a letter to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat in which he has asked several questions to the RSS chief. And in fact, he has first of all questioned that will the RSS agree in the way or in the pattern in which the Bharatiya Janata Party has been working. Not just that, he has also mentioned about the voter deletion matter and also about how the BJP, has also alleged about how the BJP has been targeting Purvanchalis. Remember that Sanjay Singh also held a press conference in which he alleged that his wife being a Purvanchali, her vote was also deleted. Later on, he also in fact mentions about the vote for cash matter. However, he does not mention this in the name of Parvesh Verma, but that matter has also been indirectly highlighted in that particular letter. So now, yes, we'll have to see that how this entire matter, turns into again a political controversy, because certainly this is not going to stop over here, because earlier also we saw that Arvind Kejriwal at Jantar Mantar, after he was out from Tihar jail, at that particular point of time also he had to attack BJP, had raised several questions. In fact, that was during Lok Sabha elections campaign. I remember at that time also, in fact, he pointed out several questions to RSS chief, and those were 10 to 13 questions that he had asked, and that was also regarding the working of the BJP itself. So now we'll have to see that certainly how BJP responds to all these kind of letters or the statements that Aam Aadmi Party's national convener has been making. But also, it will be interesting to see that how Congress and the other allies of the India bloc reacts to all the kind of statements and the letters that are being written, and this particular letter specifically, or the kind of statements that are being made by the national convener to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Back to you.
Absolutely. Perhaps after the statement given by Mohan Bhagwat on people looking for temples everywhere and trying to become leaders, I think Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party here believes that there could be some reaction coming in from Mohan Bhagwat on the functioning of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they could cash it when it comes to Delhi elections. Perhaps that's what the Aam Aadmi Party is looking for, and also insisting that RSS should take a stand on the manner in which the BJP is functioning. Including RSS into this is very interesting. It remains to be seen how the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to respond to this.
Well, that will certainly be interesting to see that how BJP will be, reacting to this entire matter. But as far as the other matters are concerned, BJP has always been calling Aam Aadmi Party as a corrupt party, and also, in fact, have been drawing the parallel lines to the kind of statements that Aam Aadmi Party leaders have been making earlier before they came to power, and now the kind of things that they have been following. So yes, we'll have to see that what BJP says. They will certainly be also picking up the statements that Arvind Kejriwal made regarding the Hindus, regarding the Hindus, and earlier also we have been seeing that the BJP leaders have been calling Arvind Kejriwal as an anti-Hindu, and that is why while this particular Pujari Granthi Yojana was released, was announced, in which Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana was announced, in which 18,000 was supposed to be given to Granthis and Pujaris. BJP again raised the guns at Aam Aadmi Party, questioning that what they have been doing since past 10 years and why they just got remembrance of all these Pujaris, why they got right now this understanding that Pujaris and Granthis are yet important, because now it is the vote bank politics that they have to play. And not just that, BJP further also claimed that Aam Aadmi Party is just trying to gather a Hindu vote bank after introducing all these schemes.
Absolutely. Tetri, stay on with us. So the face-off is only intensifying between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. First, it was the Pujari Granthi scheme announced, to which the BJP responded saying this is nothing but an election tactic. The Congress Party is reacting.